Watching this one because you want to be able to export content in an App Studio app, where normally if you go to embed app and you'd like to select allow export, there's nothing there compared to a normal dashboard. When you show that, you'll see show filter, allow export, all of these other options that just aren't yet available in App Studio app. I believe it's planned for execution, but not yet. So how do we do this? Let me show you. If we go up here and we copy and paste just this code, I'll show you that I've written some code that will allow this to happen. So I'm going to click run. I'm going to put in just that embed code. I'm going to say I want to allow data export. And first, I guess before I show you that, I'm going to show that it's not working. So here's inside of just a test domain, this Jeans app. You can see here is a card. If I click into it, actually, I know that I've just toggled it to not allowing export back to its original state. So now let me click into there. You'll see that there is not anything there. Now, if I go to this function that's saying on this particular app, set the export to true, and there's actually a lot of other options. You can set any of these to be however you'd like. So if this is a public one that you need to embed that has specific data exports, make sure to just change that to public instead of private, or if you'd like to enable or disable any of these. And so now if I go back to that app, because we just saw it said it was successful, I'll click on that exact same one, cohort analysis, expand. There we have it. We have export just like we'd want. And so to do this, let me walk you through everything A to Z. So from the very beginning, we're just going to click new package. We're going to call this allow export. Domo everywhere exports in App Studio. We're going to select the language of JavaScript. I'm just going to upload my normal company icon, and then I'll make sure to include this link to this code. You'll just copy and paste it all. You'll click create a new package, of course. That here, you'll just paste that in. You'll notice on this side, it'll ask for just a couple things. The page ID, that is just text, and the data export, this is us saying true or false. We're going to make that a Boolean. We're just going to click check, check. There's nothing on the other side on output we need to do, so we'll just click save. Now, all that we need to grab is from our actual app, up here at the top, this first one. Don't grab the second one. We just need this one right here. We'll go back on this side. We'll click run. And now we'll just paste that ID in. We'll say true. And then this is the one that's linked to this one. So technically, let me first show you, I can toggle it off. So we'll run function. We'll give it a second. And then voila, it's done. I'll go back to this embedded environment. I'll refresh it and make sure that it, well, in this case, doesn't work. And then I'll toggle it back. Yep, doesn't work. So now let's go through and make sure that it does work. So again, just click run, paste in that ID, say true, start function. And now this time after it runs, I should be enabled to allow export. And let's check, verify. There we are. We can now export any content. Hope that helps. I'll make sure to include the GitHub link, and this should walk you through the entire thing. Bye.